IoT is playing a major role. You can track movements of people, you can track movements of vehicles, you can make the transportation smarter, you can make energy management smarter, you can make traffic management smarter by way of using technology. Benefits manifold. The only thing I would request both Incessant and NIIT is to find Indian solutions, because what we have are Indian problems. The other day, a couple of weeks ago, there was this big American technology company which came in and made a very fancy presentation. They said, I can send your traffic command and control center an alert when somebody cuts a lane abruptly. So I said, why don't you send me an alert when somebody actually heads at me in a one-way street? They said, why would you need that? I said, welcome to India and Hyderabad.
So Incessant Technologies, which is an NIT company, we opened our Digital Innovation Center here in Hyderabad. In this state-of-the-art facility, we can not only seat 600 people, but we actually can do a lot of research and development on the Internet of Things. Basically, how do you, in the digital world, connect old legacy systems to the new age technologies and deliver them on all multiple digital channels? This requires a lot of research and development, and you have to think like a product company, not like a services company. So that will be at the core of the innovation. And like our respected IT minister was saying, how we take this technology and make it useful for people is what we'll be striving for here.
We've always been wanting to do something bigger in Hyderabad, and I have to say that the coming together of NIT Technologies and Incessant provides us that opportunity to have a much more significant presence, not just in scale, but more importantly in what this coming together of two organizations mean. Because all of us know that computers have been around for many decades, and the whole legacy system thing which we thought we'd throw away when internet came, we discovered that's not possible. There's too much of investment in legacy systems, too much of experience in legacy systems. So the decade of the 90s created the opportunity for new technologies to come, and the last decade was all about internet and online and social media, and so this decade as well. But the coming together of these has been a technical challenge which has been a very arduous process for all large users all over the world. So what Incessant has really done very importantly and cleverly is to become the glue that puts these two worlds together. And so therefore for NIT Technologies, which operate in 18 countries, we have a big footprint, and we've been working in new technology as well as legacy. For us, this represents really a cutting edge next step. And so I'm delighted to be here. So in some ways, the legacy and the new technology, the young and the wise, if I can use the word, it's a coming together of those two parts together at a time when the state is, I think, putting a very aggressive program of a big leap forward to get technology leadership as well as a center of that in India. So we are very delighted at NIT Technologies to be partnering with Incessant at this time, so that we kind of renew ourselves in that sense in this very important city of Hyderabad.
Foremost, I would like to thank the Honorable IT Minister, Mr. K.T. Ramarao, Mr. Jayesh Ranjan, C.V. Garu, the Hyderabad Commissioner, for coming today to inaugurate our facility, the Digital Innovation Center. The Digital Innovation Center is going to be our focus for doing original research and development in the area of digital integration. We believe that for the world to truly benefit from digital technologies, the new digital technologies have to work with the old technologies. And to make that work is a very difficult task. So we are going to do research and development across 7 or 8 different areas in this center to make that possible, so that the citizen who uses these services gets this experience that they deserve on a daily basis. So the main objective is to focus on digital innovation, because we think that digital innovation will drive the growth of NIT and the growth of the industry. We want to focus on the devices, new devices, on Internet of Things, on new technology areas. So it is really about leveraging technology in a way that has not been done till now. So Hyderabad is a great place because it has great technology talent, it has good R&D talent, not just people who do coding, but people who can understand how new technology works. It's also got phenomenal infrastructure. I spend a lot of time in the city, it's got a great nightlife. So you put all this together, it's a great place to be. And we've set up this innovation center, which is 55,000 square feet for about 600 people. And our intention is to create state-of-the-art laboratories here to do research, which helps us provide awesome services to citizens.